A process has a fixed number of workers. When those workers are busy, the next request has nowhere to go. That number is 4. A worker is one request being handled. 4 workers means 4 password resets can sit in the write at once. A 5th request has no 5th worker, because the pool does not grow when the queue grows. A password reset is a write. The write hashes a secret and stores a row, and that work holds a worker for about 400 milliseconds. 4 workers means 4 writes at once. The 5th request does not get a 5th worker. The write is slow on purpose, because a hash plus a row is not a cheap read. Semaphore 4 is a counter of free slots. The counter is the only record of how many workers are free. Acquire drops it by 1. Release puts that one back. When the counter is 0, acquire waits. We wait 200 milliseconds, so the caller is not held forever. Then we stop waiting. The slot list is shared. A lock exists so 2 threads cannot take the same slot. A lock makes 1 thread change the list at a time. Without the lock, 2 requests can take the same worker. 2 threads can both read a free slot and both write busy, and then 1 worker is claimed twice. We measure the hold with time, monotonic. Wall clocks jump when NTP steps, or a time zone changes. A monotonic clock only moves forward. 400 milliseconds is a duration, not a time of day. We subtract start from now, so the hold is a length of time. 1 request acquires a worker, sleeps 400 milliseconds, then releases. That is the write. 400 milliseconds is the hash plus the row, so the sleep is standing in for that write. The worker is not free during the sleep. We release after the sleep, so the next request can take that slot. When all 4 are held, acquire returns nothing. We answer 503. The reason is workers busy. 503 means the server cannot take the work right now, and that is HTTP service unavailable. It does not mean the client was wrong. The client sent a valid reset, and the pool was full. The pool is 4 workers. A lock guards the slots, so 2 threads cannot take the same one. A monotonic clock measures the hold as a duration. We answer 503 when the pool is empty, and that code means the server cannot take work now. A limiter is a gate that decides how many may enter, and it sits in front of this pool. It cannot invent a 5th worker. Thank you.